Michelle, ik ga mijn haar doneren en vervolgens wil ik het ietsje in laagjes laten aflopen.
Okay.
Is dat goed?
Michelle wants to donate her hair, and it will be a lot shorter on the shoulders, and she wants layers in it. So she turns for you, ben je een rondje draaien, to show how long her hair is. And then we're going to start. Dankjewel.
Alsjeblieft.
Hier staat er alweer op. Hello friends on YouTube. Gonna donate her hair, and she is going to donate it. Gonna pin it up, and then I'll start with the cut. Part it over the center. And she wants a layered hairstyle. So first pin the hairs aside, so you can put the protection on, cutting with hair. De kap zoeken. Erg mooi dit, hè?
Ja, lekker felkleur.
Ja. Put on the protection for cutting. Free the hair. Now I'm first going to make it on the tail because otherwise it's not possible to donate it. En je hebt mooi op je de speaker meegekregen.
Kan alles zien.
Turn it so you can see a little bit more of what we're doing. Now you want the length on the shoulders, so that's where I'm going to work at. I part it in 3 parts because she wants also layers to the front. So tail, 3 tails, using rubber bands. Make sure they are strong enough, because when you go to donate, they loosen most of the times when they're not strong enough. Twisting the hairs in the meantime. Okay, this is the length I parted it on. We decided, because she wants layers, to do it with a hot knife. In the center I have the most length, so here I take my first cut so you can see already the line that will be on. Dit is denk ik wel het moeilijkste eraf. Dit is de donation. Zie je?
Oh, wauw.
Nu is het officieel.
Nu is het officieel. Start by wetting the hair. Then part it again over the skull bone. Take it away with my chopsticks. A bit harder to do because now the length is a lot shorter. I'm gonna do my cut with a hot razor. It's from Ergo. And Ergo is from the United States. Start in the center line, knowing I've got the most length on the center. Make a nice soft line. The nice thing about working with a hot tool is that you close the hairs and seal them for more than 4 months. In her case, it's natural hair, no color, nothing. It will be sealed for a half year. Then work a bit in the rounding. This is also on the right side. And just watch at the natural shapes. Now it's this shape of the shoulders. I know that the curve is in the opposite lines, so I use her body as a guide. Not the chin, not anything of the skull, just her body. So I dot that lines and bring this into a hairstyle. Make the ends a little bit softer so they fall nice into each other. Using only the tip of my knife. Take on it a little bit more. Ja, zeker. Now if you watch closely, you can see the line of cutting laying beneath this line. Start working with a flat knife, holding it flat, go again in the opposite lines of the shoulders. You want some more layers at the front, so I can work through that. Same, of course, do on the other side. And so I stay working till I get on the crown area. Go from the center, right behind the ears. So I'm certain that I have the crown area with it. Pin the hair aside. Do the same on the other side. Go in, it's the upper lines with the tip of my knife. About 10 centimeters from the line of cutting. And just make a playable effect in it. So I have a very stable baseline and a playable upper line. Droge lucht, hè?
Ja.
Her mother is watching it. Knowing that this is just the hair from above the skull bone. Of course, do this also on the other side. This gives an ultra playable hairstyle. Coming at the front. Now she wants to wear also the hair on the tail. So I have to be aware of the length that she can put it on the tail. So knowing where I have to start my cut. Give the slight fall to the left side. And then start working with the tip of my knife. Putting the hairs over, watch at the chin line. Now I use the chin line. Take a centimeter on it. And start working with the tip of my knife, so get, once again, a soft falling line. Go till I get on the center. Holding the hairs in the same line. Then I lay them in the opposite lines, go from the start and work till I get on the back. I was or where I wasn't, because where I was the hair is ultra soft, where I wasn't they are hard. Go to the right side. Watch where her length is. Again, follow the chin lines. Connecting the front to the back. Krijg ik het straks daar van al je vriendinnen.
Ja. Nou ja, ik sta er een beetje op te kijken, want ik zei laatst tegen een aantal van ja, ik ga doneren. En zei ze, oh, ik ook. Toen had ik zoiets van, oh.
Ik ook.
Dus toen dacht ik even origineel te zijn, maar
Ja.
toch ook weer niet.
Ja, daar hebben ze ooit een heel mooi liedje van gemaakt, heel lang geleden. Na 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 na, wat kan ik doen? Dat is nou een liedje.
Nou, ik ken ze niet.
Heel lang geleden. Hebben we de Songfestival geloof ik mee gedaan, hè? With the tip of my knife, control the length on this side, and this side is a lot thicker than that side, so I made some adjustments to that. So you just take a little bit away from the weight. Now to make sure I get all the lengths the same. She's sitting on my wire. So I tease her a bit by saying naughty. Take all the hairs to the back, over the center, and above the skull bone, knowing that I have all the upper hairs on the same tail. Watch at the ends, they're wonderful, and give it a soft extra effect. Not much, just a little bit. So, now I can dry her hair, because her hair is nicely cut. Hoe de schil is? Hoe zacht het nou is?
Kort.
Zacht, hè?
Oh, het is alweer los. Ja, het is inderdaad lekker zo.
Ja, dat doe je iedere keer, anders is dat zo snel praten.
Ja, maar dat is het mooie aan thermisch geknipt haar. Dat is
Ja.
zo heerlijk.
Inderdaad, want de eerste keer dat ik bij jullie was geweest, zeg maar, toen, ik zat er echt van te kijken hoe zacht mijn haar was. En ook gewoon die dag, maar ook gewoon een aantal dagen achter elkaar bleef het net zo zacht als toen de dag dat ik was
Ja,
geknipt.
maanden.
Ja, maar het was echt goed. Nee, bij de andere kappers, die doen dat dan weer net niet. En dan was dat een beetje van,
Dan heb je weer gewoon haar.
ja.
Gewoon haar.
Nee, maar dat goed ik niet mooi aan.
Nee.
Okay, start blow drying with a brush. I think it's 7, 6. It's a 6. 5.8 centimeters. And the nice thing about working with hot tools is also that you never stuck between the hairs when they are cut with a brush, because it flows so lovely. The hair is so much softer. And your customer can always feel the difference between a normal cut and a hot tool cut. So far blow drying. Now the only thing I put on my hair to make it more soft and give it a little bit waxy effect is a soft wax polish of Lakme. It smells wonderful. I don't put a hairspray on because I love on young girls when the hair falls freely. So just add some shine to the hair. And you see already that the color is also much nicer when you put. So you see that she has a lot more beautiful hair when you put a little bit of polish on it. The hair feels wonderful. I let her swing with it so you can see the fall of the hairs. And this is a wonderful hair donation. Thank you for watching. Till next time.
Zo lekker lucht.
Ja.
Wat voor kort. Ik zat net zo. Oh, het is alweer gestopt. Oh.
Oké. You may show your hair. Je mag je haar laten zien. And voelt lekker?
Yeah.
Does it feel good? Will you show the hair how it falls when you turn around and twist it a bit? I think for summertime it's wonderful hair.
Ja, zeker.
Dankjewel voor de donatie. Thank you for the donation.
Alsjeblieft.
Okay. Bye bye.
Hello, I'm your hairdresser for today. Do you know already what style you want? Hello, I'm your hairdresser for today.
Mag je het nu even doen?
Hi, ik ben Michelle Kastelein.
We gaan het zonder achternaam doen, want anders gaan ze je op internet opzoeken. Doe maar.
Hi, ik ben Michelle.
Ik ben Danielle en ik geef mijn dochter toestemming om haar haar te doneren.
Oké, en je geeft ook toestemming dat ik het op YouTube kan zetten?
Ja, zeer zeker.
Oké, goed. Dan gaan we dat doen. Dankjewel.
Zeker.
Dan komt dat